Welcome back to my channel, everybody. My name is Septian. If this is your first time here, I review true wireless stereo earbuds and in-ear monitors. Today, we're going to be unboxing the One More Comfobuds Pro. I've had my eyes on these for a while, but I saw that these were on sale on Amazon, so I thought I'd go ahead and get them. Let me go ahead and use my big unboxing knife and take this plastic off. They look like stilettos. Let me just go ahead and say that right now. They look like stilettos because of the point at the bottom. All right. I love One More's presentation. Got a little magnetic flap on the side. Pull that back. You get the little sketches right here on the side. God, I love that. Okay, I pull this up. Hold up. Need my knife again. Pull this up. Okay. Pull on this. Oh, okay. Ooh. Ooh, this feels good in the hand. Giggity. Let me see. One more, hear more. Ah, okay. So that's their slogan. Open these up. All right. Well, these got the plastic on them. I'll put these to the side for now. Let's see what else is in the box. Yeah, I'm trying to, come on, lift up. There we go. Anything in there's something in there. Okay, here, see? And that's how you do it. That's how you do it. Okay, inside here we got the USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Got a little white One More pouch. And let's see what else we got. We got the silicone tips in here. Ah, man, that's really nice. Okay, so this isn't one of those bags where you can reseal it, so I'm not gonna open this up, but it looks like you get extra. I can see small, I can see large, and like another set of medium. All right, that's pretty tight. And let's go back to the buds. Check them out. Oh wait, you get a little One More sticker with the teddy bear. Get the warranty. And wow, this is a Encyclopedia Britannica instruction manual. All right, great. The charging lights are green, yellow, and red. Nice. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice. All right. I'll put all this to the side. I don't need this box no more. Click. Let's look at the earbuds. Okay, we got some plastic. There's some instructions here. It says, okay, this from here to here is the touch control area. All right. Nice. Nice clear tips. Now, for these, I went ahead and bought the SpinFit CP 1025. These are the medium large joints. I bought these specifically for these. I was ready. Let's see, let me get the other one out. Should be hard because there's no magnets. There we go. Okay, just take these off. Take the little plastic off of the charging pins. There. Always getting attacked by these. Okay, so these have some little black windows, so I'm assuming that is we got in-ear detection. So I know next to nothing about these earbuds. Okay, we got some microphones on the bottom. Got some vents. I'm assuming that's a microphone as well. Let's see how they fit in here. They fit pretty good. The passive noise isolation leaves much to be desired. So good thing I got these spin fit tips. Case is nice. Deep well inside. Got a little button right there. USB charging port. And I don't know if this will show up on the camera, but that's a red right here. That's a nice little touch. So this has been the unboxing of the One More Comfobuds Pro. That's a nice little touch. So this has been the unboxing of